Noise complaints, OSHA fines, lost contracts. Sound familiar? Let me introduce the Acoustic Barrier, a lab-tested acoustic panel that reduces noise by 43 decibels and sets up in 30 seconds. It's waterproof, fire-rated, and designed for long-lasting durability on construction sites. To prevent the panels from shifting and causing sound leakage, use the elastic ties, no tools required. For taller barriers, go pro with our vertical kits. And when you're done with the extra noise, just roll it up for easy storage. With over 45 years of safety expertise, SONCO provides the right solution on time. Contact us now to get started.